Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In today's Photoshop tutorial, we'll be looking at the new Adobe Photoshop Beta 2023, which has introduced some new powerful AI tools. So the first one we'll be looking at is the new Select a Subject tool, which is a quick way to select a subject or an object from a photo, and does a really good job of selection. And then from there, what we can do, we can change an object or a person to be something different. So for instance, we could type in alien, and then that will generate an alien image of our model that's in the center of the photo currently. But this same technique can be applied to an object also. So it then turned the image into an alien, and it gives us various options which we can use instead. These are quite scary, but you get the point. And then from there you can use different images also, so you could type in a different term and then get a different result. So what we'll also look at is how you can add objects to an existing photo. So for instance, we have this image of a cyclist on the road, and what we could do is we could use the rectangle tool, marquee tool, and then select generative fill, and we could add in another cyclist. So we could type in cyclist, generate, and then that will add in another cyclist next to our existing one. And then as previously with the previous images, it will give us an option of different images to choose from. So that one works quite well, and it actually matches the guy's jersey that's behind him. So we could even take it a step further and get a bit more crazy with the image. So we could add in a spaceship. Same process, select generate. It takes a few seconds. I'm guessing as it's in beta it takes a while, but when it's launched maybe it will be a little bit quicker. So that then brings in a spaceship, and then again we have different options to choose from. So we'll go with this one, and then to get even a little bit more crazy, what we'll do is we're adding a dinosaur. So it just takes a few seconds, and then there you go. It adds in a dinosaur, and then from there we have various options we can choose from. So this is just a quick overview on the new Photoshop AI beta tool. It has so much functionality and there's so much scope for what you can potentially do with it. It definitely makes photo manipulations 10 times easier. I hope this is a useful tutorial and one that you can use in your future design projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.